the Honorable Chairman.
Hey! Don't block her. No. This is your hand. Just money, just money. Hola. But bring that like that. Come down. No go again, just stay like that. Hey, don't push, stay.
Chairman APC, good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you. Who is this one? Abure, good to see you. Good to see you. Babuju,
while other movable and immovable facilities have been serviced, refurbished, or are being gradually replaced. We have delivered additional bimodal voter accreditation system machines to Edo State for the training of election duty personnel, as well as contingency for election day support. We have since published the final list of candidates, but we are once again sharing the list with party leaders at this meeting in view of the recent court order mandating the Commission to replace the running mate of the candidate of the Labour Party. The amended list is already published on our website. Following the conclusion of the continuous voter registration, the display of the register for claims and objections by citizens, and further data cleanup using the automated biometric identification system, the ABIS, the final register for the 2024 governorship elections in Edo and Ondo states are being finalized. Before the end of this week, the Commission will publish the final figures of new voters in the two states, as well as their distribution by gender, age, occupation, and disability. Thereafter, the timetable for the collection of uncollected PVCs from previous registration and new registrants from the latest CVR will be published. The Commission is aware that going by the timetable and schedule of activities, the register of voters will be published not later than 30 days before the date fixed for the election. We wish to reassure the chairmen of political parties that each party fielding candidates in the forthcoming governorship election in Edo State will receive the soft copy of the register on 20th August 2024, while that of Ondo State will take place on the 15th of October 2024. As the Edo State governorship election approaches, I wish to remind leaders of political parties of your obligation to submit the list of your agents by uploading the required information, including photographs, to the dedicated portal. This requirement is listed as item 9 on the timetable and schedule of activities for the election, released by the Commission nearly a year ago on 26 September 2023. Saturday, 28 July 2024, 14 political parties have uploaded the details of 38,354 polling agents and 819 collation agents for the Edo State governorship election. 3 parties are yet to upload a single polling agent, while 5 parties have not uploaded a single agent for ward, local government, or state collation centers. The deadline is tomorrow. Tuesday, 30th July 2024, when the portal automatically shuts down at midnight. I urge you to ensure that you meet the deadline so that the Commission can produce the accreditation tags and deliver them to you for distribution to your agents in good time. Campaign by political parties and candidates is in full swing in both Edo and Ondo states. This is the time for party leaders to demonstrate compliance with the Commission's regulations and guidelines for political parties 2022, especially the aspect dealing with rallies, processions, and campaigns already available on our website. As a reminder, however, hard copies of the document have been included in your folders for this meeting. The campaign period has often been characterized by acrimony and tension. Sadly, it is also a period of verbal abuse and physical confrontation among parties, candidates, and their supporters. The Commission finds the recent event in Edo State, resulting in the death of a security personnel, worrisome. Happily, there has been no incident known to the Commission since then. Nevertheless, the Commission will meet with the security agencies under the aegis of the Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security, and the meeting has been scheduled for Friday this week. I want to assure you that security in Edo and Ondo will be a major issue for discussion at the meeting. We are as concerned about the safety of your candidates, agents, and supporters as we are about the security of our own officials, observers, journalists, service providers, and above all, the voters. Turning to the issue of by-elections, you may recall that at our last meeting, I informed you of the existence of vacancies in 4 states, involving 3 state constituencies and 1 federal constituency. Since then, 2 more vacancies have been declared by the Honorable Speaker of the House of Representatives, following the death of members representing Ibadan North Federal Constituency of Oyo State and the Chukun Kajuru Federal Constituency of Kaduna State. The Commission will soon announce the dates for the by-elections. Once again, I welcome you to this meeting. I thank you and God bless.
The acting secretary to the commission, to the chairman, IPAC, as well as the committee. Now I'm starting off by introducing